Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can play PlayStation 2 games on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now the secret to playing console games on your PC is the RetroArch application. In order to install this, just open up your web browser and then type in retroarch.com in the address bar and press enter. Now from the home page, scroll down and click on the Get button and then choose the stable version. Once the installer is downloaded, you can open it up and click through the next buttons to install it on your device. After the installation is completed, you can open it by double-clicking on it, and you will now be taken into the main menu. Now, to make sure you are able to play any PlayStation 2 game, you will need to load the core. Now, the core refers to any console that is supported by RetroArch. So click on Load Core, and then click on Download a Core. Now, this will show you all of the emulators that are supported. From this page, scroll down and look for Sony PlayStation 2. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it, and this will begin the download of this core. Once it is finished, you will see a hashtag on the right side, and now you can go back to your main menu. Now after this, all that is left to do is to just load your preferred PS2 game and start playing right away. Go into Load Content and just browse for your ISO. Now you can right click on the RetroArch shortcut and click on Open File Location, and from this folder, go into Downloads. And you can make sure that you store all of your games here so that they can be easily accessible from the downloads page. And now you can start enjoying your favorite PlayStation 2 games on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to play any PlayStation 2 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.